Imposing masses of pure mystery float through the vastness of space, objects that have confused humanity for generations and left us with more questions than answers. For years, we could only imagine what these strange invisible giants were hiding. But the time has finally come for a major shift in our understanding. The James Webb Space Telescope has revealed details that bring us closer than ever to understanding what lies inside these enormous cosmic enigmas we call black holes. As we journey deeper into the far reaches of these strange regions, we realize how little we truly know and how much more the universe still keeps hidden from us. If you want to stay updated with discoveries like this and learn more about the strange mysteries of the cosmos, make sure to subscribe, like the video, share it so it reaches more curious minds, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed. The entire story began more than a century ago, in 1916, when Albert Einstein introduced his general theory of relativity. His equations were the first to predict the existence of black holes, even though he himself had doubts about their physical reality. The name, black hole, wouldn't appear until decades later, but the idea had already caught the attention of scientists around the world. Some believed in Einstein's strange prediction, while others dismissed it as an abstract mathematical trick. Then, in the late 1960s, everything changed when researchers studying the constellation Cygnus noticed something they couldn't explain. A bright blue star was emitting powerful X-rays, far too intense to be normal. The star seemed to be orbiting something completely invisible, something massive and dark that no one had ever seen before. The more they studied it, the more unsettling it became. The X-rays were not coming from the star itself but from matter being pulled toward the dark object it orbited. Whatever was at the center of that system was devouring material in enormous quantities. That was the moment when science finally accepted that black holes were not just theoretical predictions but actual cosmic monsters capable of swallowing anything near them. What scientists didn't expect was that this discovery would open the door to even more mysteries. After Cygnus X1, a series of new discoveries followed, revealing that there may be around 100 million black holes in our Milky Way alone. That number could be higher, because detecting them is incredibly difficult. They don't emit light on their own, and we often only notice them because of how they affect their surroundings. Physicists describe a black hole as a region where anything that enters it gets crushed under unimaginable gravity until it collapses into something called a singularity. To put it simply, black holes stretch and distort anything that falls inside them, a process scientists casually call spaghettification. The idea that an object, or a person, could be stretched into a long, thin shape before being torn apart is terrifying, but it also shows just how extreme black hole physics truly is. Thankfully, the closest known black hole to Earth is about 1,500 light-years away. Even so, the question remains, could a black hole ever swallow Earth? The answer is no, not unless one suddenly appeared extremely close to us, which is nearly impossible. In 2021, scientists finally managed to capture the first clear image of a black hole, the giant M87 black hole. Over several nights, telescopes around the world worked together to photograph it. Each new image revealed more about its structure, showing that a black hole is not just an empty pit in space. Instead, it has multiple layers. The first is the event horizon, the boundary around the black hole. Anything that crosses this boundary is trapped forever. Light, matter, radiation, nothing can escape once it falls past that point. Deeper inside lies the singularity, the core where gravity becomes infinite and the laws of physics break down. To escape, something would need to travel faster than light, which our current understanding says is impossible. On Earth, gravity works gently enough to allow life to exist. But if the force worked like it does in black holes, nothing could survive. Black holes represent the ultimate limit of physics, the point where everything we know stops making sense. What's even more confusing is that each black hole behaves differently. Their masses, spins, and behaviors vary so much that understanding one doesn't necessarily help us understand another. Studying them is like solving a puzzle that constantly changes shape. Scientists face a major problem. They cannot study black holes directly the way they study stars or planets. They can't measure the light coming from them, because black holes absorb light rather than emit it. They can't send probes into them either because anything sent inside would be destroyed long before reaching the center. So astronomers must rely on indirect clues: the motion of nearby stars, the radiation from heated gas, or the gravitational effects they produce. In many ways, we are studying them by looking at their shadows and the chaos around them. Despite these challenges, researchers have proposed countless theories about what might exist inside or beyond a black hole. One popular idea suggests that black holes may not be the endpoint of matter, but gateways to somewhere else. Some believe that inside a black hole could be a tunnel leading to another part of the universe, or even a completely different universe. If this is true, black holes could be cosmic bridges, allowing travel across unimaginable distances. This would change everything we know about space exploration. Instead of being traps, black holes could serve as shortcuts across the universe. Of course, this remains speculation until proven, but the idea keeps appearing in scientific discussions. Another theory suggests that black holes might not be holes at all, but glitches in the fabric of the universe. According to a Tokyo-based researcher, Enrico Raldi, black holes might be holograms, visual illusions created by the strange behavior of spacetime. Just as a hologram looks three-dimensional even though it is flat, a black hole might appear like a deep well when it is actually something else entirely. If this is true, everything we think we know about black holes could be based on a misunderstanding. The universe might be tricking us with illusions far more complex than anything we create with technology. Whether black holes are gateways, traps, illusions, or something else entirely, one thing is certain: they are far more complex than we once believed. With new telescopes, more advanced technology, and AI helping scientists analyze data in ways we never could before, we may be getting closer to discovering the truth. But for now, they remain the universe's greatest mystery: massive, silent, invisible, and endlessly fascinating. What do you think lies inside a black hole? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, remember to like the video and subscribe for more cosmic mysteries.